Hello everyone, my name is... Today I'm gonna play the hunting song and the swing by Aaron Bukwal. My teacher is Teacher Xavier Vergara. Pero ngayon practice lang kasi so hunting someone.
Wow!
Gusto ko naman yung yung final, yung hindi nakalamitan yung bow.
Wow, may baw pa.
Pero pag next lesson sabi ng Ninong,
Next lesson daw yun.
last one ha!
Oh, last one. Oh, yung may bawa, yung hindi nakakalimutan yung bawa sa hindi na magsasalita.
Yung may salita na.
Apo.
Good morning everyone. My name is John Claire Vidalimit. Today I'm gonna play the hunting song and the swing by Aaron Bukwal. My teacher is Teacher Xavier Vergara.
Okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
Practice naman lang eh.
From the top.
Last one na nito ha.
Sure.
Kung correct,
Okay lang. Okay lang magkamali.
ulit.
Okay.
Okay lang magkamali. Okay lang.
Okay. Kasi practice lang.
Opo, okay lang yan.
Good morning everyone. My name is John Claire Vidalimit. Today I'm gonna do the hunting song and the swing by Aaron Bukwal. My teacher is Teacher Xavier Vergara.
Wow.
Ah!
Always forgetting. Okay.
Good morning everyone. My name is John Claire Vidalimit. Today I'm gonna play the swing and the hunting song from Aaron Bukwal. My teacher is Xavier Vergara.
Always forgetting. Again, hindi. Para matuto siya, nakakalimutan niya, uupo na siya, saka siya magbabaw. Yun na lang nakalimutan niya. Ayan.
Sige, baw muna.
Ano? Yung natunig ko.
Okay. Sorry.
Good morning everyone. My name is John Claire Vidalimit. And today I'm gonna play the hunting song and the swing from Aaron Bukwal. My teacher is Teacher Xavier Vergara.
Yay! Galing nga, makikita
May
ka.
bago yan pagkatapos.
Yes!
Ano daw?
Pagkatapos magtugtog, magbabaw.
Magbabaw.
Nagbabaw.
I-exit kasi na siya eh.
You forgot na naman dabaw.
I thought one bow lang.
Okay, again, one last. Bago mag-order na tayo. Tagal eh.
Dito si Papa.
Si auntie, iniwan mo. Pakita mo si auntie. Ay, sorry. Ano ang asawa ko? Kamusta ang experience?
Hindi ka na.
Okay, sige, Aaron na yun. Oh. Ito.
Kuya Clayron! Ikaw na lang, mag-isa? Kuya Clayron, go! Where's Uncle Chris? Where Uncle Chris? Uncle Chris?
Sa taas.
Ay, hindi siya bumaba? Hindi siya nag-slide?
Hindi siya nag-balik.
Laki ng ox, no? Picture ako kayo? Cellphone. One, two, three. May pabitin effect pa si Kuya Clero.
Wala ba eh. Ano ba? Ang bigat mo. Ay, hindi na kita. Ayaw mo na, give up.
Bridges drives off balance, can't get her down right there, but Bridges is back.
You know, you get into a situation like this, it's almost like you can't even look at the scoreboard.
You have to take it one possession at a time. Execute offensively, get something up.
Good morning everyone. So, dito kami ngayon guys sa ano, SM, Mall of Asia. Nagbabalik. Again, nabiting kami last time eh, no? Kasi, di ba, actually nakasama namin last week yung ano, yung pamangkin and family ng pamangkin na asawa ko. Ayan, sila Mimi. Ayan. So now guys, ito, kakain muna tayo ng lunch dito sa Hawker Chan. Say hi sa ako. Hi. Today wala naman kaming activities just for us. Gagala-gala lang kami rito, maglalakad-lakad. Just enjoy the view, no, guys. Kung ano man yung makita namin. If there's any activity na pwedeng magawa, no, siguro yun yung gagawin namin. But yeah, this is a free day for us. No? So we're just soaking in, enjoy, and maglilipot-lipot lang kami ni Mrs. dito sa loob. Ayan. So kakain muna kami ng lunch, which we ordered here dito sa Hawker Chan. So na-miss na namin yung ano eh, yung Hainanese chicken, guys. So yun yung in-order namin pareho. Parehong set yun. So we're just waiting for our order na dumating. Hello guys, so dumating na yung order natin. Ayan o. Hainanese chicken. So yung kay Mrs. guys, meron pala siyang ano, may laksa. Ayan. Delicious. Mukhang masarap. Kain muna tayo.